Hi friends, good morning. We have started coordination compound chapter and it is still going on. In last lecture we have discussed magnetic property of complex ion and structure of complex ion, geometrical structure of complex ion. In last lecture we have discussed if there are four ligand with metal ion, there may be two possibility for the geometrical structure. It may be square planar or it may be tetrahedral. If hybridization is dsp2, then the structure will be square planar, and if hybridization is sp3, then the structure will be tetrahedral. So it is cleared now. Number of ligand, it means coordination number of complex ion play an important role to decide geometrical structure of complex ion. Now we are going to discuss about octahedral complex ion, its magnetic property. Is it diamagnetic or paramagnetic? If all electron are paired, so paired means di means it is diamagnetic property, or in d orbitals any electron are seen unpaired, then it is paramagnetic property. And on base of that we are having the value of dBi or Bohr magneton. If number of or unpaired electron are there, will decide how much value of magnetic property. So today we are going to discuss about octahedral structure containing complex compound. We are having FeCN6 4 minus. First we must discuss the oxidation state of iron or ferric. This is ferrous. So Cn is minus 1 into 6, total minus 6. So Fe must be 2 plus, otherwise 4 minus 2 plus, then remaining 4 minus. Minus 6 plus 2, you just get the value, it may be 4 minus. So oxidation state of ferrous or iron is 2 plus. Now the nomenclature of this one is what? Hexacyano, ferrate, oxidation state 2, and it is iron. Hexacyano, ferrate, 2 iron. It is IUPAC nomenclature of given complex ion. Now we will have the electronic configuration, then we will decide magnetic property, and then we will decide geometrical structure. So Fe oxidation atom number of Fe is 26. So what will be the electronic configuration? Fe, argon 18, then here will be 3d, here will be 4s, and here will be 4p. So 3d having 5 suborbitals, 4s only 1, and 4p are 3. Clear? Now we have to fill number of electron 26. So 4s will fill first. So now 18, argon is 18, then plus 2, 20, then 21, 22, 23, 24, 25 and 26. This is the electronic configuration of metal ion ferric. Sorry, ferrous, not ferric. Now we are having the oxidation state of Fe is 2 plus. So we have to lost 2 electron of outermost orbitals 4s. So electronic configuration of Fe2 plus will what? Argon 18. These 2 electron will be released. Then the orbital of D will be the remain same as it is, because we have to lost only 2 electron that would be left from the s orbital. So Fe2 plus having electronic configuration will this 2 less, you just subtract 2, then number of electron will be 24. So argon 18, 19, 20, 21, 22 and plus 2 means 24. Now when cyanide is the strong ligand is attached to ion, then there will be the rearrangement of electron. So what will be the done? Rearrangement of electron will be done. This electron will transfer over here and this electron will transfer over here. So rearrangement of d orbitals will what? This will be this electron pair as it is. This electron transfer over here, so here will be 2 electron. This electron is transfer over here, so here will be 2 electron. This 2 d orbital will become vacant, and as it is we are having p. These are the p. Now we have to donate 6 electron pair by cyanide ion. So 2 electrons, 6 cyanide, 1 cyanide, 2 cyanide, 3 cyanide, 4 cyanide, 5 cyanide and 6 cyanide. Electron pair of cyanide will be donated to vacant orbital. So what will happen? So 2 electron will fill over here by cross. This 6 electron pair is donated in vacant orbital of D, S and P. So what will be the geometrical structure? It must be octahedral, because there are 6 ligands, and shape will octahedral, again repeating. And what will be the hybridization? Here is D2, here is S1 and here is P3. So hybridization is D2sp3. It is D2sp3. Magnetic property, here is not any unpaired electron, so it is diamagnetic, and if it is diamagnetic then the value of mu will be 0. So diamagnetic, magnetic property, it is diamagnetic. And value of mu will be 0 Bohr magneton Bm. So you must understand, when rearrangement of electron is done, when you are writing only oxidation state with the metal, you need not to rearrangement electron. When cyanide ligand is attached to ferric, then you have to rearrange the electron pair. Then will it decide the how many vacant orbital and how many electron pair is donated by ligand, and then after we will decide hybridization. And if ligands are 6, it is proved that the shape will be fixed. It is octahedral. Just we have to decide that magnetic property is diamagnetic or paramagnetic. If unpaired electron is seen, then it is paramagnetic, and if unpaired electron is not seen, then it is diamagnetic. If it is diamagnetic, then the mu value will be always 0. Clear? Now we are having the different example with Fe3. ion. Let's see. Another example, we are writing over here just 3 minus, then Cn is minus 1 into 6, total will be minus 6, Fe must be plus 3, minus 6 plus 3, so remaining charge is minus 3, so it is not ferrous, it is ferric. So name will what? Hexacyanoferrate. Oxidation state will be changed only ferrate 3 ion. So Fe will lose now 3 electron. So Fe 26 electron we can feel like this, argon 18, then here will be 3D, here will be 4s, here will be 4p, then we have to fill first 2 electron in 4s, 18 to 20, then remaining electron will be 21, 22, 23, 24, 25 and 26. It is electronic configuration of Fe only. Now we are having the oxidation state is 3. So 3 electron will be lost by ion. So 2 electron will lost from here and 1 electron will lost from paired electron, because this electron will come last. First 1 electron will fill in d orbitals, then all 5 d orbitals is filled, then the 6th electron will fill in the first square. So Fe3 plus electronic configuration will what? Then we have to fill 23 electron, because 3 electron will lose. So 2 electron will lose from here and 1 electron will lose from here, pair electrons. So Fe3 plus electronic configuration will be this one. Total 23 electron, 18 of argon and 5 electron of remaining d orbitals. Now we are having the complex ion FeCN6 3 minus. So cyanide is the strong ligand, so rearrangement of electron will be done. So this electron will transfer over here and this electron will transfer over here. This electron will remain as it is because it cannot transfer. So we are having electronic configuration will what? We have transferred this electron here, so here will be 2 electron. This electron here, so here will be also 2 electron. This electron is as it is, and this 2 orbital will become vacant. So again we will count argon 18 electron, and remaining 5 electron, 18, 5, 23. Now cyanide will donate 6 electron pair, 6 cyanide. So we are writing here 1 cyanide, 2 cyanide, 3 cyanide, 4 cyanide, 5 cyanide and 6 cyanide. Will donate electron pair in 6 vacant orbitals. Then we are having this type of electronic configuration. We have donated 6 electron pair in vacant T2 orbital, S1 orbital and P3 orbital.